If your lower back hurts more than it used to, sitting too long, bending over to tie your shoes, getting out of the car after a long drive, you're not broken. Your back isn't falling apart, and you don't need to stop moving to protect it. In fact, moving the right way is exactly what fixes this. This is one of the most common problems people deal with after 35, especially if you spend most of your day sitting at a desk or in a car. In this video, you're going to get the exact exercises that build a stronger, more resilient lower back. No equipment needed, no gym membership, just about 15 minutes a few times a week. Let's talk about why this actually happens, because understanding it changes how you approach fixing it. Most lower back pain in your 30s and 40s isn't caused by some sudden injury. It's caused by weakness that builds up slowly over years. When you sit for long stretches, your core muscles, the ones that are supposed to support your spine, basically go to sleep. They stop doing their job, so your lower back starts picking up the slack, taking on stress and strain it was never designed to handle. Over time, that shows up as tightness, aching, or sharp pain when you bend or twist. Here's the encouraging part. This is one of the most reversible causes of back pain there is. You're not dealing with permanent damage. You're dealing with muscles that have gotten weak and just need to be retrained. That's exactly what these 3 exercises are going to do. Before we jump into the main exercises, let's warm up the spine gently. Cat-cow stretches are perfect for this. Get on your hands and knees, arch your back up toward the ceiling like a cat, then drop your belly and lift your chest, letting your spine curve the other way. Move slowly between these 2 positions for about a minute. This takes the stiffness out of your back, increases blood flow to the area, and prepares your spine to move safely before we start loading the muscles. First exercise, the bird dog. Start on your hands and knees. Extend one arm straight in front of you while extending the opposite leg straight behind you. Keeping your hips level the entire time, don't let them twist or tilt. Hold that position for about 2 seconds, then switch sides. Do 3 sets of 8 reps per side. This exercise is fantastic because it builds real core stability without putting any load on your spine at all. It also improves balance and coordination between opposite sides of your body, and it trains the deep muscles along your back that protect you every single day when you're lifting, bending, or twisting to grab something. Second exercise, the glute bridge. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, hip width apart. Push through your heels and lift your hips up toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes hard at the top, then lower back down with control. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Weak glutes are a huge, often overlooked cause of back pain because when they're not doing their job, your lower back compensates during everyday movements like standing, walking, and lifting. This exercise strengthens your glutes directly, improves hip stability, and helps correct the poor posture that comes from long hours of sitting. Third and final exercise, the dead bug. Lie on your back with your arms reaching up toward the ceiling and your knees bent at 90 degrees. The key here is keeping your lower back pressed flat into the floor the entire time. Don't let it arch. Slowly extend one arm back and the opposite leg out straight, then return to the starting position and switch sides. Do 3 sets of 10 reps per side. This is one of the safest and most effective core exercises for anyone dealing with back pain because it strengthens your deep core muscles without putting any load on your spine whatsoever. Now here's how to put it all together. Do these 3 exercises, bird dog, glute bridge, and dead bug 4 times a week. Give yourself at least 3 weeks before you judge the results. Your back didn't become weak overnight, and it's not going to become strong overnight either. But if you stay consistent with this, you will feel a real difference. Less stiffness, less pain, and more confidence moving through your day. If this helped you, subscribe, because a new exercise-based fix drops every week here, built around the real problems people over 35 actually deal with. In the next video, we're tackling why your knees hurt more than they used to, and exactly what to do about it.